Turmeric honey mixture, the strongest natural turmeric home remedy. We have already written about the wonderfully tasty and healthy turmeric golden milk to treat many ailments. Today, we would like to share with you another great natural turmeric remedy. Turmeric golden honey is considered the strongest antibiotic described in Ayurveda scriptures as well. The blend of raw honey, turmeric and black pepper has a very powerful healing potential. It can be used for fighting bacterial and viral infections and as an anti-inflammatory potion that eases seasonal allergies, and as a general immune booster. Unlike artificially synthesized drugs, this natural mix comes with no side effects, promotes the beneficial gut flora, and improves digestion. A research, published in FACEP Journal in July 2010, explains how honey kills bacteria. It shows that bees make a certain protein called defensin-1 that they add to the honey. This protein could one day be used to develop new drugs that could combat antibiotic-resistant infections. Turmeric antimicrobial potential to kill bacteria and viruses has been shown on animal and test tube experiments, while human studies are still in the very early stages. Honey is a true powerhouse that is also featured in many other health-wise recipes. Golden honey mixture. Ingredients: 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, raw honey. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper, in order to optimize turmeric's absorption and bioavailability. Preparation: add the turmeric powder and the black pepper to the honey and mix well until smooth. Put the mixture in a, preferably, glass, airtight container and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Don't consume it if it develops a metallic taste. Instructions for use. The amount you take depends on your needs and health problems. If you are getting over a cold or flu, take half a teaspoon every hour on the first day of your treatment. Half a teaspoon every 2 hours on the second day of your treatment. Half a teaspoon 3 times a day, which will suffice on the 3rd day of your treatment. For general immune support and seasonal allergies, take 1 tablespoon daily. If you are treating a respiratory condition, such as asthma, bronchitis, lung problems, it has been recommended to take half a teaspoon 3 times a day. You should keep golden honey mixture in your mouth until it has completely dissolved. Tips: the blend can also be used as a toast topping. Spread a generous helping of honey turmeric black pepper paste over your whole grain toast and enjoy it for breakfast. Or, simply add it to your green smoothie. Or use the mixture to make some delicious tea, or a warm tonic. The brew will be very tasty if you also add lemon. Just mix 1 tablespoon of honey turmeric black pepper mixture with 1 cup of hot water and enjoy during the day or in the evening. According to the Indo-Tibetan medicine, turmeric should be taken at different times depending on your health complaint. Before eating is best for throat and lungs. In the course of eating is best for the digestive system. After you have finished eating is best for the colon and kidneys. Cautions: turmeric should not be taken by people who suffer from gallbladder problems. The spice causes contraction of the gallbladder muscles. It also lowers blood pressure and blood sugar levels. This is generally seen as a positive effect, but if you already have low blood pressure or you have issues with your blood sugar levels, consult your doctor first.